gentlemen, all the best for your SSB. Basically, you are going to APCAT.
Sir, NCC special.
Your NCC special entry. You are going to APCAT.
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you?
NDA, sir.
NDA.
Navy Tech.
Navy Tech. Okay, this batch is going to pass out today. Basically, batch number 22/2025, and numbers of students have taken SSB here. I think most of the students gone for the SSB. They got the dates and they have left here early. Thing is that we have been taught here each and everything. GTO, psychology, interview.
Yes, sir.
Have you got all the observation here?
Yes, sir.
Some observation mile?
Yes, sir.
And have you seen that book given by Doon Defense Academy with SSB preparations?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's good for the.
Good for
Yes,
the
sir.
preparation?
Yes.
Okay, go through the complete information given in this book, and basically observations are given to you, and your mock tests have completed, and all other mock interviews, psychology assessments, everything.
Yes,
Soon after this, do one thing, do some physical activities, get your documents ready for the SSB, the very important part.
Yes.
Okay? And you are going for the different SSB, all the armed forces, Army, Navy, Air Force. Just go through the complete information about the armed forces. You should know the complete knowledge about the armed forces.
Yes.
What is the present scenario? What are the recent weapon equipments, okay, missiles, everything. Organization of Army, Navy, Air Force. You should know. Okay?
Yes.
All this such type of question will be asked.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Your turnouts will be checked during SSB. Okay?
Yes,
Do well on behalf of Doon Defense Academy, Director Sir, Deputy Director Ma'am, and all the staffs. Wish you all the best for your success in SSB. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And come back with flying color.
Yes,
and
sir.
when
Yes, sir.
on the selection of final selection, when you're getting the joining letters, do you know
Yes,
what
sir.
are you getting from here?
Yes.
Rupees 20,000 cash award.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, all the best. All the
Thank you,
best, all the
sir.
best, all the best.
My name is Rajgopalan Tiwari and I came from Allahabad, where I studied in Allahabad University. I came in Doon Defense Academy for my SSB preparations, and I find quite good atmosphere here, and it was quite excellent SSB coaching, and where the GTO task and the psych test and interviewing officer were very good, and there were patterns of mistake in my life that I had a repeating pattern. So by coming here, I was able to clear them, and there is a proper guidance and proper environment, and I think I'm going to make in SSB this time. Thank you all of you.
Jatin Singhs. I came here from Bharatpur, Rajasthan for my SSB coaching. I take offline for my written exam. I prepare here also, and then I take SSB coaching from here. The environment I gave here is so fantastic. The psychologist, the interview officer, and the GTO are good. And then I prepare very well for my SSB, and I got confidence here that I sure clear my SSB this time. Thank you.
My name is Abhiben M. Tadatil. I am from Karnataka. So I have come to Doon Defense Academy for 14 days SSB interview, and my entry is Navy Tech. After attending this training, I am confident enough for psychology, GTO and IO. Here I was able to find the mistakes which I can correct. So after attending this, I am confident enough to clear SSB interview, and the facilities given in this coaching institute is good, and I use the hostel facility here, and the food given in hostel is very good. Thank you.
Jain everyone, my name is Vanna. I am from Saharanpur. First of all, I am really happy after clearing this FCAT exam for the first time. And thank you so much all DDA faculty of who helped him in this journey. I have achieved something, but there is still much to achieve. So it's not all about clearing the exam only, it's all about to get final selection. And thank you so much.
Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Pratyush Kashyap. I belong from Himachal Pradesh. I have got the SSB for NDA 156 course, and I have taken the coaching from Doon Defense Academy, Dehradun. My experience here was absolutely wonderful. The teachers were very helpful, very knowledgeable, and they helped me to increase my confidence as well as motivate me to do better in the SSB. I have learned a lot of things, a lot of new things, the ground tasks, the interviews, the psychology classes, everything was wonderful. The class was very engaging. We shared our thoughts, our perspectives on various topics, and I really enjoyed my time here, and I hope that I clear my SSB. I am very confident that I will do so by the training that I have got here. Thank you.
Kindly subscribe DDA YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.